Tech Trivia, 25 questions, one topic. Let's go. Question number 1. Which company developed the PlayStation console? Sony. What does iOS stands for in Apple devices? iPhone operating system. The ability of a machine to improve its performance based on previous results is called machine learning. What is the maximum duration for a video on Instagram stories? 15 seconds. TikTok is the international version of which Chinese app? Option B. Who is the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. What year was YouTube founded? 2005. Which of the following services is offered by Amazon? All of the above. Snapchat is known for what type of messages? Option B. WhatsApp is owned by which company? Facebook. Which company developed the Windows operating system? Microsoft. Gmail was launched by Google in which year? 2004. Which application is not a part of Microsoft Office? Photoshop. Android is primarily used for which type of devices? Smartphones and tablets. What was the first model of iPhone called? iPhone. PayPal is an online service that allows you to transfer money. Which of the following is considered a strong password? Option D. Which platform is widely used for finding freelance work? Upwork. Which is the first and most well-known cryptocurrency? Bitcoin. Which of the following is not an e-commerce platform? Netflix. The New York Stock Exchange is located in which city? The answer is obvious, New York. Which of the following is a type of investment? All of the above. LinkedIn is primarily used for professional networking. Google Maps was first introduced in which year? 2005. Which feature is exclusive to iPhone compared to the Android devices? Siri. Thank you for watching. You can watch these videos next and don't forget to like and subscribe.